Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in my videos. Today I want to go ahead and show y'all what I did on the previous video about my welding table. Let me turn on this light real quick, guys. But yeah, there we got some light now, so y'all can be able to see me. But yeah, I know y'all wondering why I have on this cowboy hat, because it's super hot out here today, guys, and I don't want a headache, so that's why I got the cowboy hat on. Y'all see it, man. Cowboy hat style. You gotta be cowboy hat if you living in the country. Gotta have on a cowboy hat, man. So it's best, especially for, you know, if you're mowing the grass or something like that. That way you won't catch a headache, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did on the last video. I didn't get a chance to show y'all yet, but now I'm finna show y'all right now. So I went on ahead and installed these little welding fixtures, whatever they call. Little characters I got here, man. As you guys can see, I did put on a nice little weld on the back, and right now we're about to go ahead and paint it, man. So I'm gonna be going with like a gloss black, and I'm gonna show y'all the other side too as well. Show y'all that as well, guys. And I will be painting these today, so that's gonna look dope. That's gonna look pretty dope. But I got some other things that I got a little update on the CROSSFIRE that I want to do. It's gonna be a little different. Now I don't know if I'm gonna feel comfortable doing this yet, but yes, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and wide body the CROSSFIRE, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man, for that video. It will be sick. It'll be my first experience cutting up a car and everything. So I want to show y'all, you know, I want to show y'all the whole process every step of the way. So y'all just make sure y'all watching the whole video, because you never know what I might put in the video, man. You never know what I might put in the video. You never know what I might do different. So y'all just stick around, man. Watch the whole video. And y'all will see what I'm doing, man. But yeah, we will be doing a wide body kit on the CROSSFIRE, man. It won't be like a big wide body kit. It'll be like some flares or something like that, because I think that's the only thing that they make for that car right now is the flares. So we will be putting the flares on there. As you guys do know, we might have to get some bigger wheel spacers to put on the CROSSFIRE, so that way the wheels can stick out a little bit more. And then yeah, guys, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, man. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and get to work on this these welding, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and paint that up right now, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next project of what we got going on today. So y'all just stick around, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Bust it down with a share my video, and then give me a thumbs up, man. Give me a thumbs up. Can't go wrong. It's all free. You ain't got to pay for nothing, guys. Just go ahead and do that for me, man, so we can grow this channel, man. So that way we can do giveaways and more giveaways and more giveaways, guys. I appreciate y'all. Let's move on to the... All right, guys. I thought I had enough black paint. So this is the paint that I will be using right here. So it's this Rust-Oleum Stop Rust Gloss Protected. That's pretty much what I use to paint stuff with, especially if you painting things that's like rusted and everything like that. Be better. And then I'm using paint tape, and I'm only using this to mask off. That way I won't get the rest of the table painted. That way you won't get any overspray on the table, which I don't really mind because it's a work table anyways, but just so it won't look as bad with all that paint everywhere, you know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get that squared away right now. You guys can see me? Probably can't see me. I don't know, I guess it's some kind of glare in the background or something, I don't know. But we only got a little bit of paint, guys, so we're just gonna use a little bit of it because we're gonna run out. And then I might have to run to the store or something like that and get some more paint. So I'm just gonna do what I got for now, and then I'll get back with y'all. So we finally found us that little project I had painting my little welding fixtures, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around and show y'all real quick on what they look like, man. What y'all think? So I pretty much just went one coat on there, and I think that's good enough because it don't need that much paint. So I just put one coat, letting it dry a little bit. I got a little runs, but it ain't gonna be perfect, guys. This is a work table, so it ain't gonna look as perfect. But I got the other side here. Got the other side. You really can't see it. The sun is kind of messing it up, but y'all can get the picture. Definitely can get the picture, man. So I will be adding more stuff. The only thing I got to do now, guys, I have to install this, but I need a base plate to come out to about right here. So once I get that base plate, I'm gonna weld that base plate right here, and then that vise is gonna be right on top of that base plate, and then that way we can go ahead and work out pipe or whatever we're gonna work on, and we can use this vise, you know, tighten it up and everything, and we'll be good to go. But we got more to the video, guys. Just stick around. Just stick around. Don't stop the video. Don't click off or nothing like that. Just go ahead and yeah, you just never know what's gonna happen next. Guys, you just never know how the video gonna end up, and I really don't know how this video gonna end up, but we're just gonna go for it, guys. So what we doing now, my wife had some issues, tire pressure issues this morning. She gave me a call and told me that she was kind of low on the air pressure. So we finna take care of that right now and get her all aired up, because can't have my wife on the road, man, stranded, especially with my daughter. I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all down real quick. All right, guys, so I know it's loud, but it's gotta build pressure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take this stem off, this cap off. I'm gonna go ahead and air it up a little bit. I'm not gonna put too much because, yeah, I'm not gonna put too much because I don't have a gauge on me. I had a gauge, but I don't know where that sucker's at right now. Sorry about the noise, guys. But she's building up pressure right now, and I'm gonna try to see if I can find a tire pressure gauge. All right, guys. So we got tire pressure build up now. So go ahead and give it a shot. See what we got. So we got a valve on ours, guys, to where you can open it up and you can get some air coming out. You guys can hear it right now. So that might be enough there. All right, guys, so we're about to see if we got any light on here. Let's see, man. Okay, guys, so the light has come off. So that's all you gotta do, guys. Your got a family picture there. But yeah, so that's all you gotta do. Tire pressure go low, go ahead and put you some air in it, especially if your wife and your kid is in the car. Go ahead and change that out for them, man. Don't wait till something happen and then change it out or do what you gotta do. Just make sure, you know, you keep them safe, you know what I'm saying? That's how you gotta do. So we got that done. Put the cap on. The light went off, so we're good there. Everything is good. So now, guys, what I'm about to do is about to watch the CROSSFIRE, but I'm not gonna film that, guys. I don't want to make the video too long. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff up, put it back in the garage, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the CROSSFIRE, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all where we're gonna be cutting for the flares and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys on how it look. And then after that, we might move on to the truck, show y'all a couple of things. I might go ahead and wash the truck. It's always good to wash at this time of day, guys. It's like maybe like about to be 7 o'clock right now. So the sun is going down. As you guys can see, I have a lot of shade there. And that's the best time to go ahead and wash up your cars and stuff, because the sun won't be beaming down on your head and all that, guys. And if y'all know, if y'all wash in the sun, then that water and soap is just gonna be dried up, and it's not gonna be good. You'll be out there all day long scratching up your car. So right now, we're going ahead and put all this stuff up, and then move on to the next cars. Go ahead and wash them. Wash that one. That one need to wash big time. And I might wash the Camaro too. We'll see. I don't know just yet, but all right, y'all, so I just finished washing her up, man. She looking pretty good. But when she back this thing up, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all where we're gonna be cutting for the fender flares. But man, look at her. She looking good, man. She looking. Body kit is pretty much, we got to do all the measurements and everything to get it all fitted on. But the wheel will come out to about right here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. It might come out to about right there, because I gotta get new spacers. I gotta get bigger spacers for this, so that wheel can pop out a little bit more. So that fender flare, it'll start, I'm pretty sure it's gonna start from right here, then it's gonna go down like that. But it's gonna be from the front and the rear that I'll be getting fender flares. But it's gonna look dope, man. I'm telling y'all, man, this car gonna be a little race car, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram and my YouTube as well. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. Make sure you follow me on there as well. That way you be in the loop before YouTube. But yeah, man, so she's gonna be looking good. The front is pretty much already kind of like poking out a little bit, as you guys can tell right there. So I'm probably not gonna have too much to do as far as like getting a wider spacer for the front. So as you guys can see, it's already got a spacer in there. So I'm probably not gonna go with a bigger one, just a bigger one in the back. But yeah, she come. Y'all, so y'all seen what I'm gonna be doing to the Crossfire. I will be cutting those fenders up. So y'all just stay tuned for those videos, man. They will be coming. I gotta order the parts. So y'all just stay tuned, and we will be cutting those fenders up. But I appreciate y'all for stopping by, looking at my channel, watching. And like I said, you just never know what you're gonna see if you just, you know, unclick on the video. So you gotta watch the whole video so you'll know what I'm doing to these cars and whatever else I'm doing. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Tell me what y'all think about the fender flares. And yeah. Oh, also, me and my wife and my family, we will be making a separate YouTube channel. So when we make that up, y'all just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But I'll give y'all more details later on about that. But with that being said, I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.